Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hey guys, it's me Hesha, and today is a really special day because Pinkvilla and Paytm Mall are coming together to put together one real life fan's dream come true. Yes, you heard that right. Don't we all love celebrity looks? I mean, we love it to another extent, but it sometimes gets difficult because they're not as affordable as we'd like it to be. However, we've managed to get one ardent Alia Bhatt fan today who we are going to be giving 5 different looks makeover. So let's call her. Hey!
Hey,
What's up, Ashna?
I'm good.
Why don't you tell us something about yourself?
I'm Ashna. I'm a college student and I'm so excited to be here.
And I heard you're an Alia Bhatt fan. Is it true?
Yes, I love Alia Bhatt. Be it ethnic or casual wear, I just try to mimic her every style.
Oh my god,
You know?
so I think this is just the perfect day for the both of us. So
Yes.
without talking too much, let's get started. Ashna's first look is the athleisure look, and this one is a total must-have because athleisure is the new cool. It's laid back, it's sporty, and we love it. Looking for an easy breezy ethnic outfit? Well, yellow is the color of the season. Pick a yellow floor length anarkali and team it up with a sheer dupatta and you're super good to go. Heading to work but want to avoid pants? Alia's next look is just what you're looking for then. Pick a nice printed cotton kurta with palazzo pants and make office look fun. Now this one is a sure must-have. Update your wardrobe with a breezy white high-low maxi dress and team it up with denim jacket, a pair of sexy silver heels, and that's all you're going to need to make that brunch look a lot more happening. Planning to go out clubbing with your best friends? And LBD never disappoints. A little black dress with strappy heels is just good to go when you're hanging out with your friends. So Ashna, how was your experience?
It was amazing. I loved all the looks. And also the fitting was so great and the fabric so smooth.
So did you have an Alia Bhatt moment?
Yes, I did have my Alia Bhatt moment. I felt so closer to her.
Yay! I think that's what we wanted. But tell me something, Ashna, out of all the looks that we put together for you, what's their favorite?
This has to be my favorite. LPDs are all-time favorites, so yeah.
Yeah, they are.
Yes.
But I have a little surprise for you as well.
Oh.
Since Ashna mentioned that this was her favorite look,
Yeah.
I'm letting you take this home.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
You're welcome. So what are you guys waiting for? Paytm Mall end of season sale is here with grander discounts and even grander cashbacks. So happy shopping! Okay, Ashna, tell the guys what do they have to do if they liked this video.
They have to like, share and subscribe to
To
Pinkvilla.
Pinkvilla! Bye guys!